Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel, Z Graphics and MS Tips. Today I will show you that how can done impossible things by using generative fill in Adobe Photoshop Beta. So let's get started. Open Photoshop app. Here the first example. I want to expand this picture. So first of all, I select crop tool and expand the width like this and like this. Hit OK and select rectangle marquee tool and select the blank area like this and like this. Hit generative fill and generate. So here the example. Wow, it's amazing. And I want to more expand. So first of all, I will merge the layers and select the crop tool and more expand like this and hit OK and select marquee tool and select the area like this. Generative fill and generate. So it's processing. It's depend on internet speed. Wow. Here the first example. There are some variation. Second one. Wow. And third one. It's amazing. It's amazing. Wow. Here the second example. I have a blank canvas. Unlock layer. Select the marquee tool and select the area and write C view. I want to make some C view like this. Here. Wow. So here the second example, two example. This one good. Third one is better, I think. So I want more creative something. So select marquee tool and select the area and generate and mountain generate. So wow, it's amazing. You can check. It's amazing feature. Generative fill is amazing. I will merge the layers and you can check it. Here the result. I want to more creative. I select the area and generative fill, right ship. Want to create some little bit ship. So wow. Here the first example, second one, third one, and like this. Second one is good. So I hope you like this video. Please, if you love this video, please like, subscribe, and press the bell icon. Thank you so much.